Alright, for example 5, I'm going to set this up for you, help you set it up, and then see if you can actually solve it. So I'll help you get it set up. This little QR code here on the right, if you don't have the QR code on your computer or on your smartphone, if you don't have a smartphone, not a big deal, but I would download a free one if you get a chance. If you have one for your desktop, then what you can do is you can just pull it up and you can scan this, and it will take you to a video of how to solve a word problem. So sometimes you need a little bit more help. So that's what these are going to pop up here on your notes for a while. Okay, so let's get back to the example. Here the English Club is trying to raise funds to sell poetry cards and bouquets of flowers for Mother's Day. So the club obtains the cards at a cost of $2 each, and the bouquets at a cost of $3.50 each. They'll sell the cards for $6 and the bouquets for $8. So what they're hoping to spend is $360 from their account, and they're hoping to generate $900 of revenue. So we want to figure out how many cards and how many bouquets can be obtained and sold. So the last thing you want to figure out is if C is your number of cards and B is your number of bouquets. This is your end result. This is what you really want to figure out. Bouquets is spelled so weird. I always, as a youngin', I thought it was bouquets, but my dad was always quick to correct me and then beat me in the face. So, just kidding. Alright, so we're going to have a couple of equations. We're going to have a cost equation, and then we're going to have a revenue equation. So because they're going to order these cards, it's going to cost them so much per card, but then they're going to sell them and they're going to make so much more money. So the cost for each card is $2. Then for each bouquet, that's going to be $3.50 times B, and their total cost should end up being a total of $360. Now, by setting this up for the cost, I want to know if you can set up their revenue equation. And then, that's a nice line, then go ahead and solve it, and I want to see how many of you can actually come into school with the correct equation. So you're going to need to plug in, you're going to need to be able to figure out some value of x, okay, or you're going to need to figure out what you're going to plug in front of your C here, what's going to go in front of your B, and you're going to need to use the information to figure out what goes here. Then I want to know how many bouquets and how many cards they're going to get. So see which one of you guys are the smartest. Enjoy your evening.